Assalamu alaikum bete. This is lecture 3 and we're going to talk about the types of paragraph, and your first assignment will be related to the types of paragraphs. So there are six types of paragraphs that we will be talking about in this lecture. The first one is the narrative paragraph. Narratives are the account of some happenings, like something has happened and we are narrating the story or we are narrating the event. So narrative type of paragraph includes components of plot of a story, characters, what were the things or characters that were involved in that, conflict, whether there was an issue, and theme, what was the overall theme of maybe an event, of maybe the story, etc. It includes strong details, obviously, details of the events, details of the characters, details of the plot. It includes a strong introduction and conclusion that hook the reader and evoke the narrative's theme. So it talks about your best memory, the day you went to somewhere for hiking or something like that. So narratives आर द पैराग्राफ्स जो हम नरेट करते हैं, किसी हैपनिंग को हम नरेट कर रहे होते हैं, बता रहे होते हैं, फिर ये हुआ, फिर ऐसे हुआ, फिर वो आए, फिर वो गए, so something like that. That is the narrative type of paragraph. The next that we are going to talk about is the descriptive type of paragraph. So descriptive means describing something. Something is already there and we are describing it. So while describing, we use very strong sensory details appealing to all the five senses. It was as cold as snow, right? It starts with the writer's main impression of the subject. It uses spatial order for organization. Spatial order means, for example, we are describing a room. So we are not describing the room haphazardly. We will start from one wall and gradually we'll move to the other, then the third and then the fourth one. So spatial order का मतलब है जो space है, जो चीज़ है जिसको हम describe कर रहे हैं, उसके एक order पे चल रहे हैं हम. If we are describing a person, a personality, so हम ऐसा नहीं कर सकते कि we are describing the facial features, then we go on the feet, then we come back to the neck, then we go somewhere else. So हमें एक order को जो है वो spatial order means जो जिस चीज़ को हम describe करें वो जिस space में है, वो जिस जगह पे है, उसका एक order जो है वो होगा. So we follow that. The third type of paragraph is the compare and contrast. We compare, comparison is between two similar things and contrast is between two different things. So we analyze two subjects by either comparing them, contrasting them, or both. So comparison or contrast जो है वो that is also a type of paragraph. So we does not just state the obvious but examine subtle or unexpected differences and similarities. हम उसको detail में देखते हैं, हम देखते हैं what are the other things that we can talk about. Our topic sentence clearly states that the two subjects are like what the two subjects are and what will be learned. हमारा जो topic sentence होगा बेटे compare and contrast वाले paragraph का, वो हमें clearly बताएगा कि हम कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं या कंट्रास्ट कर रहे हैं, या हम किस चीज़ का कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं और हम किस चीज़ का कंट्रास्ट कर रहे हैं, या हम किन दो चीज़ों का कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं और किन दो चीज़ों का कॉन्ट्रास्ट कर रहे हैं, राइट? सो एंड द फोर्थ टाइप इज कॉज एंड इफेक्ट. इट हैपेंड एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दिस हैपेंड. सो कॉज एंड इफेक्ट. What is the cause of this thing and what is the effect of this thing? So the topic sentence states main cause, main effect, or various causes and effects of a condition or event. Organized, either cause first, effect second, or effect first, cause second. For example, temperature is rising because of the global warming. Effect first, cause second. Because of the global warming, temperature is rising. So cause पहले है और effect बाद में. हम दोनों तरीके से sentence लिख सकते हैं. It includes strong evidence linking the cause and effect. फिर उसके बाद में global warming पे बताऊंगी what are the evidences how because of the global warming temperature is rising. ठीक है? So it uses phrases of causation, because, just, due to this, and etc. जी, next is the process. हम जब processes के बारे में लिखते हैं, it explains how something works, or both. Opens with the discussion of the process, including the outcome of the process, follows a chronological sequence. Chronology जिस
सीक्वेंस में चीज़ें हो रही होती हैं. क्रोनोलॉजी का मतलब है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द डेट्स या विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द हैपनिंग्स, जिस ऑर्डर में हैपनिंग हो रही होती हैं. इट यूजेस टाइम ट्रांजिशन फ्रेजेस, देन, सो, आफ्टर दैट. ट्रांजिशन फ्रेजेस. इसके बाद ये हुआ टाइम ट्रांजिशन. टाइम के बारे में जब हम प्रोसेस है ना बेटा, फिर मैं उठा, फिर इट हैपन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू टॉक अबाउट योर होल डे, सो व्हाट इज द होल प्रोसेस. आपने आई वोक अप, देन आई had breakfast, after that. So this is the time transition phrases, the language that we use. The last one is the persuasion type of paragraph. So persuasion में हम arguments देते हैं. आपका argumentation के ऊपर बेटा एक पूरा argument analysis paper है जो आपकी final assignment होगी, ठीक है. So moves readers towards a certain point of view. It argues a specific claim. It uses clear reasons and strong evidence to support its claim. It avoids appearance of bias by limiting first person pronoun use. So हम जब भी लिखते हैं I करके नहीं लिखते हैं. We avoid first person pronoun use. Please understand this. बहुत सारे बच्चे जब लिख रहे होते हैं तो the main problem that you all do is you add you, I and we whenever we are writing formal, anything formal या academic writing जो है हमारी, उसमें हम I, we, you नहीं लिखते. हम नहीं लिखते we do this and then it happens. ऐसे नहीं होता. हम passive voice में लिखते हैं. We try कि हम active voice में ना लिखें. So that's it for this lecture. I'll post your assignment regarding this. If you have any questions, you're welcome to address those questions. I hope they are clearer. I'll ask you about the questions later. So that's it, bete.